Steel, iron, aluminum. Metal defines our modern world. At Gontermann-Peipers, we master metal in transformation. We produce highly engineered, high-performance components for today and tomorrow. Our roots are in Siegen. With its long tradition of ironworking, this region has become a hub for metallurgy that is unrivaled the world over. Machinery, equipment and components made in Siegen are in use in smelting works and rolling mills around the globe. Founded with some audacity and a pioneering spirit in 1825, today, Gontermann-Peipers is in its 7th generation as a family-owned company. The Marienborn and Hein sites, with more than 500 skilled workers and sales totaling more than 100 million euros, form the foundation of GP's success story. Gontermann-Peipers is a reliable partner with strong roots. We're financially independent, and we have ensured our sustainability by continually investing in production and research and development. Our outstanding technical advancements include the invention and constant improvement of the double-pour steel casting process, the development of proprietary vertical centrifugal casting technology, important improvements in materials in continuous casting, and production of very heavy rolls up to 265 tons. GP is one of a handful of companies selected to manufacture nuclear casks according to German standards. The Marienborn works produce work rolls, backup rolls and shaping rolls, as well as casks for the nuclear industry. The Hein works are home to GP's other production lines: chill and centrifugal casting, composite rings, continuous casting and hand-molded casting. Gontermann-Peipers' long-standing business success forms the basis for a multifaceted commitment to the community through the Gontermann-Peipers Foundation. This includes, for example, support for various social initiatives and schools in Siegen and the surrounding area, or the donation of a decommissioned GP locomotive for a good cause. Rolling mill rolls for metal forming have always been a central component of GP's product range. During the rolling process at the customer's works, slabs of heated steel or aluminum are rolled down to the desired thickness in multiple passes. GP uses carefully selected, high-quality raw materials to manufacture its high-performance rolls. The arc, induction and holding furnaces in the Marienborn melting shop provide a total capacity of more than 500 tons. Once the melting process has been adjusted correctly, the rolls are cast using the static composite or centrifugal casting process. Thanks to the combination of different materials, composite rolls offer both extremely high wear resistance in the working layer and high core material hardness and toughness. In the first step, the lower neck and mold are filled with alloyed shell material. The chill mold ensures rapid cooling of the outer shell. The core iron that is then poured in displaces the molten portion of the shell material until the lower neck and body consist entirely of core material. Finally, the upper neck is filled with tough, high-tensile core material. The GP centrifugal casting process, developed by Gontermann-Peipers, also permits various combinations of materials for the roll shell and core. In this process, first the shell material, alloyed iron or steel, is poured into a vertically rotating casting mold. This will form the working or wear layer of the roll. After that, the molten spheroidal graphite cast iron for the roll core and necks is poured into the still rotating mold. treatment is essential to the successful production of high-performance rolls. Here we combine proven expertise and experience with state-of-the-art process control. The rolls are heated to a temperature of more than 1000 degrees and carefully quenched. This is done by an automated spray system using air or water. GP's test methods, including, for example, residual stress measurement and ultrasound testing, ensure that the rolls are flawless and fully functional when they leave our works. After this, the rolls are finished using modern CNC-controlled milling machines. On the grinding machine, dimensional accuracy is a matter of just a few hundredths of a millimeter. Deburring the rolls calls for the craftsmanship of our skilled workers. On completion of all these manufacturing steps, the roll is carefully preserved and packed. Now it is ready for shipping to customers around the globe. Gontermann-Peipers develops and produces high-performance rolls to meet increasingly stringent requirements in hot and cold rolling mills. GP's highly professional service team offers application-oriented advice as well as individual solutions for problems concerning the roll and roll gap. Our rolls offer high wear resistance, long running times, and constant hardness down to the final diameter. Castor nuclear casks are used to store and transport highly radioactive spent fuel for the nuclear industry. They are among the best tested and highest quality castings ever made. GP is one of just a handful of certified foundries selected to cast and machine Castor containers, which weigh up to 100 tons. Due to the extremely rigorous quality specifications in the nuclear cask sector, GP has maintained a government-accredited test laboratory since 1997. GP's rolls and other products also benefit from the strictly monitored laboratory equipment and processes. Research and development is very important at GP. The annual R&D budget amounts to between 2 and 4% of revenue. At GP, in-house development is handled by interdisciplinary teams. Once functioning prototypes are available, field tests are conducted in cooperation with selected customers. Modeling and optimizing complex casting processes by simulation methods is standard practice. In addition to its in-house R&D resources, the company maintains long-standing, direct relationships with renowned universities and research institutes. Both works have all the usual certifications. The Integrated Management System, IMS, encompasses quality, production processes, energy, and the environment. Many employees come from families where they represent the second or third generation to work at GP. This is what gives GP's corporate culture its distinctive flavor. Systematic profit sharing for all employees provides incentives and strengthens the sense of belonging to the company. The profit sharing scheme goes hand in hand with a very open information policy. The Hein plant offers a broad range of products made using various casting processes as well as flexible vertical integration thanks to diverse machining capabilities. Hein serves customers in all fields of mechanical engineering. Here, for example, GP continuous cast parts for forklifts, a hand-molded machine bed for modern machine tools by Siegen, centrifugally cast cylinder liners for piston compressors, round continuous cast core components for vacuum pumps, square GP continuous castings for hydraulic control blocks, GP chill cast guides for hydraulic presses. The Hein plant has 9 induction furnaces with a total capacity of 160 tons. The range of casting processes includes hand-molded, centrifugal and chill casting, as well as continuous casting. At the Hein works, hand-molded casting is used to produce machine parts weighing up to 160 tons apiece. GP makes single material and compound cylinder liners by horizontal centrifugal casting. GoPack continuous casting is a technically advanced production method for round, square and flat bars. These products are characterized by a dense, fine-grained and easily machinable microstructure. Heat treatment optimizes the material's properties for the different end uses. The mechanical process sheds at Hein house 50 machines covering a very wide range of operations, including sawing, turning, drilling, milling and honing. GP maintains an extensive stock of continuous and chill cast products in the most common dimensions. These inventories can also be accessed quickly in the GP online shop and are immediately ready for shipment. Ultimately, Gontermann-Peipers' strength lies in long-term cooperation with customers based on mutual trust. The family-owned Siegerland company owes its success to the rolls and containers produced at the Marienborn works and the wide range of cast products produced at Hein. Secure, ongoing partnerships centered on first-class products and competent service and advice will ensure this success carries on long into the future. No doubt about it, you will be able to carry on counting on us. Gontermann-Peipers. High performance cast components.